Hi, welcome back. Let's learn how to perfectly extend the wallpaper on your iPhone in iOS 27 or later. Have you ever found the awesome wallpaper for your iPhone only to realize that it doesn't quite fit the screen? Well, instead of cropping out the important parts of the image or settling for awkward borders, iOS 27 gives you a pretty convenient way to extend your wallpaper and make it fit your iPhone display more naturally. In other words, it lets you preserve the main subject while creating a seamless background around it. That said, let's get started. So, first off, you have to open the Photos app on your iPhone. Then you have to head over to the image in question. After that, you have to tap on the share icon. Then you have to choose Use as Wallpaper option. After that, tap on the triple dot button and choose Extend Wallpaper option in the menu. iOS will instantly extend the wallpaper to ensure it looks pleasing to the eyes. Then tap on the Done button located at the top right. And finally, you can choose to set it as the wallpaper pair or customize it separately for the home screen as per your needs. And that's all there is to it. With the right adjustment, you can make an image fit your screen without unnecessarily cutting off the subject or important details. This is especially useful when you want to turn almost any photo into a great looking iPhone wallpaper. Now that you've unlocked this pretty cool feature, make the most of it in order to deck up your home screen or the lock screen to your heart's liking. And I'll catch you up in the next one.